Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set up YouTube parental controls. If you're using YouTube and you want to set up your YouTube parental controls, let's see how can you do that. So the very first I recommend you have to install this app, which is YouTube Kids. It is officially recommended for to use for kids, and it has the content which might suitable for kids. Or the second way is that you have to enable or set some restrictions on your YouTube app. So open your YouTube app here, and here simply tap on your profile option in the bottom right corner, and here just tap on settings of the gear icon in the top right corner. Then select general option from here, and here you will get an option of restricted mode. You must have to enable that, and once you have enabled, it might get some restrictions on your YouTube. So in this way you can easily set up your YouTube parental controls. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.